Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video we are gonna do some odd one out questions. पहले जितनी भी odd one out की वीडियोस रही हैं उसमें मैंने आपको एक्सप्लेन किया है कि किस तरह से किस स्ट्रैटेजी के साथ इनको करना चाहिए. So इसी स्ट्रैटेजी को फॉलो करते हुए we are gonna do today's questions. So let's begin. Whenever odd one out question comes in exam, it comes this way that 5 sentences related to a topic are given below. 4 of them can be put together to form a meaningful and coherent short paragraph. Identify the odd one out. So let's start with the first question. A particularly interesting example of inference occurs in many single panel comics. So we are talking about single panel comics and how we infer something interesting, how it's an example of inference that occurs. It's the creator's participation and imagination that makes a single panel comics so engaging and so rewarding. Often the humor requires you to imagine what happened in the instant immediately before or immediately after the panel you're being shown. To get the joke, you actually have to figure out what some of these missing panels must be. It is as though the cartoonist devised a series of panels to tell you the story and has chosen to show you only one, and typically not even the funniest. So, in all these sentences, we're kind of talking about how we understand the single panel comics and how we infer something from them. He's talking about that human requires you to imagine what happened, that to get the joke, you actually have to figure out what some of the missing panels must be. And in this E sentence, he's talking that it is as though the cartoonist devised a series of panels to tell you the story he has chosen to show you only one, and typically not even the funniest. So we're talking about the humor, we're talking about jokes in the previous sentences, in sentences D and C, and in the E sentence, this is kind of being continued. But the only sentence which is kind of different is that creator's participation and imagination. In all these sentences, we're talking about inference, we're talking about how we are understanding the panels. But in this sentence, we're not talking about inference at all. We're talking about the creator's participation and imagination, which is a bit different from the rest of the idea, which is a bit different from the rest of the sentence, rest of the paragraph. So this is going to be our odd one out sentence. Second question पे आते हैं. As India looks to increase the number of cities, our urban planning must factor in potential natural disasters and work out contingencies in advance. Authorities must revise data and upgrade infrastructure and mitigation plans even if their local area hasn't been visited by a natural calamity yet. So, both these sentences are talking about what authorities must do. So, these two sentences are connected. एंड जैसे कि मैंने प्रीवियस वीडियोस में भी बताया है that जब भी आप आउट वन आउट के क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व करेंगे यू ऑलवेज हैव टू फिगर आउट इफ द टू सेंटेंसेस any of the two sentences or more than two sentences are connected, because once you find the link you know that these two sentences can be the odd one out sentence, and this helps in option elimination. So these are both eliminated as the odd one out sentence. So let's come to the rest of the sentences. Extreme temperature, droughts, and forest fires have more than doubled since 1980. Okay, so they're talking about natural calamity here. They're giving us examples what has happened since 1980. There is no denying the fact that our baseline normal weather is changing. Okay, so again here he's talking about natural calamities and how the normal weather is changing. It is no longer a question of whether we will be hit by nature's fury, but rather when. So in the B sentence, he was talking about that even if their local area hasn't been visited by a natural calamity yet. And the same sentence, that it is no longer a question of whether we will be hit by nature's fury, but rather when. Now this idea is being continued in B sentence, and the possible sequence will be E, B, A. Now we need an introductory sentence. So let's see C or D, which is going to be our introductory sentence. So there is no denying the fact that our baseline normal weather is changing. It is no longer a question whether we will be hit by nature's fury, but rather when. Now D and E are connected. They are giving us a continuation of an idea. D is kind of an introductory sentence. So whenever you are in a dilemma that which sentence is the odd one out sentence, what you can do is you can find out the sequence of the rest of the paragraph, and you can now see that do we need an introductory sentence, do we need a sentence in the middle, or do we need a conclusion sentence. And then we have to figure out that out of the sentences which are left, which best suits our needs. So D here is the introductory sentence and we needed an introductory sentence. So D, E, B is going to be the sequence, and so C becomes our odd one out sentence. So let's come to the third question. Much has been recently discovered about the development of songs in birds. Some species are restricted to a single song learned by all individuals, others have a range of songs. So in both the sentences we are talking about songs in birds. So let's see. The most important auditory stimuli for the birds are the sounds of the other birds. Okay, so in the previous sentences we were talking about songs in the birds, but in this sentence we are talking about auditory stimuli. So it's a bit different. So let's mark it and see the rest of the sentences. For all bird species, there is a prescribed path to development of the final song. A bird begins with the sub-song, passes through the plastic song until it achieves the species song. Now here he's talking about a prescribed path to development of final song. And this path is explained in the E sentence. So these two are definitely connected. And now let's come to the A and B sentences. Both these sentences are talking about songs and birds. And D and E sentences were also talking about songs and birds. So the only sentence which is having a different idea, which is having a different element, is sentence C. It is talking about auditory stimuli for the birds. So this is going to be the odd one out sentence for this question. फोर्थ क्वेश्चन पे आते हैं. Machine learning models are prone to learning human-like biases from the training data that feeds these algorithms. Hate speech detection is part of the ongoing effort against oppressive and abusive language on social media. The current automatic detection models miss out on something vital: context. It uses complex algorithms to flag racist or violent speech faster and better than human beings alone. For instance, algorithms struggle to determine if group identifiers like gay or black are used in offensive or prejudiced ways because they are trained on imbalanced databases which unusually high rates of hate speech. So here we're talking about machine learning models and we're talking about how it helps in hate speech detection. So let's see the connections. Machine learning models are prone to human-like biases. Now, biases is used here that they are biased like humans. And in the E sentence, they were saying that they are used in offensive or prejudiced ways because they're trained on imbalanced data sets. Now, the word prejudiced is used here, and it is used that algorithms are kind of prejudiced. So these two sentences are sharing a same idea. So they are definitely not our odd one out sentences. Hate speech detection is part of the ongoing effort against oppressive and abusive language on social media. It uses complex algorithms to flag racist or violent speech faster and better than human beings alone. So these sentences are also kind of continuing the same idea we were talking about earlier. The only different sentence is that current automated detection models miss out on something vital: context. We have not talked about context in rest of the sentences. We are talking about that hate speech detection in data sets and how it's against oppressive and abusive language and how it uses complex algorithms to flag out racist or violent speech. But we have never talked about context in any of the sentences. So this is going to be the odd one out sentence because ये एक ऐसा एलिमेंट, ये एक ऐसा आइडिया ला रहा है जो कि बाकी के सेंटेंसेस में कहीं भी नहीं है. So this is our odd one out sentence. With this we come to an end of our today's video. I hope you liked it and it was helpful to you. Best of luck. If you have any queries at all, you can mail us or you can DM us on Instagram.